Hello everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. I want to do a before and after. So I'm going to be going on a trip and I'm going to be gone for a week. And I want to do some harvesting from the garden to see kind of what it is before, how much we get before, and then how much we're going to get after I come back. So that's what we're going to do. In the meantime, we're going to feed some of these animals. And I've got my mic on today, but it is really windy. So you might not be able to hear me. Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can. But we're going to feed some of the animals while we're doing our garden harvesting. Right now we're going to go feed the pigs. But yeah, I really want to see, because we're supposed to get some rain here when I'm on vacation. And it's for like 4 days straight. And everybody knows that rainwater is better than no water. So we're going to... Oh, it's going to be interesting to see, you know, what we get before and then afterwards. I think it's going to be really neat. Okay, you guys, ready? And eat. Now, we've already got everybody situated with double water, double food. That way my son doesn't have to do too much while he's here. But I think we'll probably get the basket because I have some stuff right here that I want to harvest. Not too much. It's mainly cucumbers. Come back for that. So it's mainly cucumbers in that section. As you can see, they're growing here on this side of the fence. So we might be able to just clip them from here. I'm going to try to stand y'all up. Whoops, wrong way. But the wind, like I say, the wind is very bad right now. So if you fall over, you might see ground. This one is not quite ready. I might leave it. I don't know about leaving it for a week. I can always tell him to come out here and, you know, pick it. But these cucumbers, I just picked some off of this, what was it, the other day? Day before yesterday or something? There we go. Another cucumber. I think I'll leave these two and then just have him come out here and pick them when they get a little bit bigger, because they're still they feel kind of, you know, super duper hard. So, but that's two things. Let's go over here in the bigger one and see what we can get out of the bigger one. And then I do have some pumpkins growing. I do want to show y'all that too. Hang on, I gotta swap hands here. There we go. Okay, let's see. Sunflowers are doing great. Nice big sunflower still. No, Todd, out. Out, Todd. Go, Ruggy. But there's the garden. We're going to walk through and see what we can harvest. Because I did this a couple days ago. Like, not even joking. These are spiny. I don't really like that they're spiny like that. There's lots of little ones on these. So I'm anxious to see what they look like when I come back. There's two. We're starting to get some zinnias also come up. I don't know if I'll be harvesting those, but try to widen y'all out some so you can see better. There's a pretty good size one. Those still have a little bit of the green. I like whenever they don't have any of the green. Might have to leave those for a couple more days. My son, I don't plan on him doing any kind of harvesting while I'm gone. And that's fine. I can always come out here. You know, today's Saturday, so I can always come out here Sunday night and do what I need to. There's some over there, but I'm just gonna keep trucking along down this way if I don't fall down first. There's a big one. Needless to say, the good Lord has blessed us with zucchini and squash. Hopefully it'll continue into the summer and we'll continue to harvest off of them. Them ducks are mad, they're hungry. It's feeding time for them too. I think I'm gonna go around that way. I don't see nothing on the zucchinis. Maybe when I come back, there'll be some zucchinis. Found another squash. I don't know how many squash plants I planted. I thought I planted an equal amount of both. I guess not. There's another one. So that's 3 right there off the bat. Actually 4, because I'm going to cut that one. So that's 4 right off the bat from those plants. Oof. Those are big. Get all these picked and then I will show y'all the pumpkin plant, the pumpkin that I have growing. That one's not quite ready. Thought I seen one down in here. Maybe I got it. Got some watermelons growing too. I'm pretty sure those are watermelons. It might not be. Might still be pumpkins. But, and then my okra is starting to grow too. So, hey, we got some okra getting ready. Here's, well, dang it. Here's one. This is gonna make one. So it's starting to flower. And then the okra, the corn is coming out. There's a lot of grass out here. Next year this is gonna be different. But we're getting some plants. I think those are pumpkins. I think they're the Cinderella pumpkins. There's one big one. Now these, I thought that those right there were watermelons. But the leaf don't look right. Yeah, that leaf doesn't look like a watermelon leaf. I'm trying to get, without stepping on anything, I should have went the other direction. Let me backtrack here a little bit. Ooh. Hit that thing. Let me backtrack. Oh, and beans. We're going to be getting beans here pretty soon too. My zinnias, aren't they pretty? But we'll be getting beans here pretty soon. I seen some flowers somewhere. Right there. So we'll be getting some green beans pretty soon. More zinnias. And these things are still growing. Whatever they are. Don't know exactly what they are. There's 2 of them. I'm not sure I'm going to harvest those because I'm not sure what they are. But I want to show you all my pumpkin. Ain't she pretty? It's massive too. It's a good looking pumpkin. There's a whole bunch of them down in through there. Like little ones. They're more going this way. There's one over there somewhere. It's a big one too. As long as the rabbits don't get in here and get it, I'm good. I've already seen a rabbit in here. So hopefully they do not come back. Might have to have rabbit stew. That's what we got from the back so far. What do I do with them scissors? In my pocket. So let's go over to the front. Okay, so now we're over in the front, and I did see quite a bit of jalapenos on some of these, and some cucumbers on these also. So let's figure that situation out. There's tomatoes are not ready yet, unless if I wanted to eat fried green tomatoes. But I did see quite a bit of jalapenos, and hopefully y'all don't fall over. But I do need to pick these. Come on. quite a bit of them. And they're coming off really easy, so that's how you know they're ready. Leave those small ones. Somebody must have got a dog, because I can hear him. He's not happy at all. They must have him locked up somewhere or something. I'm not sure. But he's been doing that all day. Good looking jalapenos. Another one. And another one. If you hear that snap, well, I didn't do it on that one because I hit a leaf, but when you pull them and they snap, the ends, to me that tells me that they're ready. Let's go this way. There's some on here. I'll leave that one, leave that one. Probably leave that one too. Get to him. There he goes. Okay. Okay. Bell peppers are coming. I figured these will be ready by the time I come back. Oh, there's a cucumber too. Let's go ahead and get that. Oh, I left my scissors. Another cucumber. He's growing kind of wonky because he was on that wire. And then behind us, we also have a couple of cucumbers. Here's one. And that's another one. Then I seen one down in here, which this one's a big one. Oh, you two stop that. And then we got some baby ones on here, so whenever we come back, they should be ready, I would think. Especially with all that rain we're about to get. It's gonna rain for like 4 days straight. And I know there's 2 or 3 here. And for some reason, these plants look a little dinky. I don't know what's happening. 2 off of that. I water them, and I water them. Not every, not over exaggerated, but they do get water. But see how they're kind of wilting? Look, they got some kind of mold happening. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. I'll figure all that out once I come back. Not like I didn't plant more cucumber plants. I'm trying to look on these other ones over here to see. I think we got some. Let me go grab that basket right quick. I'm gonna put these in the basket, 1 to 2. Let's go grab that basket. All my artichokes are doing good. I did harvest some cilantro, and I harvested some sage and stuff like that, and I have them out drying. Let's go see. I keep bumping that thing on my leg. These are finally, I gave them a trellis, another one. They got little bitty fruits on them. We'll see how many of those we get. Let's see, here's some. There we go. 2 jalapenos off of that one. And this one's got a bunch. I'm gonna have to get something to tie all these up. The wind has been very brutal on my plants. Not too happy with that. But can't control the weather. Got quite a bit off of those. And of course I left my basket down yonder. But I think that's it. Yeah, I think that might be all, y'all. These are not ready to harvest just yet. Bell peppers, some of my bell peppers are looking kind of dinky. I finally caught all them chickens and got them put up because those chickens that were out were just tearing up my dirt. I don't know. I got them put up now. But all right, guys, that's what we got. So that's the before, and then we will definitely, I'll end this video and post it that we can see it, and then whenever I come back, we'll make another one together. Y'all have a good one, guys. Be safe.